Let's go. Just follow my lead. Trust me, I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're just gonna get through this. Woo! Alright. There you go. Fancy, fancy. We are so fancy. Switch it up. Girl. Get it. Woo! You're doing good. You're doing better than me, that's for sure. Look at that. Advanced stuff. When you don't know how to dance, but you're trying your best. Awesome. Go, go, go. Keep going. I know. Just raise your legs. That's all you gotta do. I know. We're gonna pretend this is actually a dance move. My hands on your body. Surroundings getting foggy. Just do your best. What are you gonna do? Just do your best. Keep going. Alright, do something else. We're making up as we go. You're doing awesome. You're doing awesome. Look at you go. Drop it low. Fancy stuff. What was that? Just go with it. Just go with it. Listen. We're moving, right? That's the idea. Just keep moving. Do what you need to do. Just keep moving. You look good. You look better than me. Keep going. What? Just play along. Play along. Don't worry about it. Nobody's watching. Nobody's watching. When the club inside of you just comes out all over the place. Woo, get it, girl. You look awesome. Keep going. Listen, life is short. Have fun. You look good. Keep going. Drop it low. Oh, you look good. You look good. That was awesome. You survived. You survived my dancing. Take a few seconds to rest. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. If you're already doing my premium program, good job. You are investing in yourself. If you're not doing my premium program, I encourage you to check it out. The link will be provided below. I'll be back after the break so we can keep bringing some terrible dancing to this world, because the world needs our dancing. Welcome back. Are you even ready? Let's go. Don't ask what I'm doing, just follow along. I don't know either, but it's good. It's good for your body. I sat down by the ocean. Just have fun with it. It's no big deal. There's no right or wrong. Have fun. Awesome. Longing for you. Have fun. You look good. Keep going. There we go. Awesome. Go for it. Now you're getting it. You are amazing. Woo! Just keep moving. That's all you gotta do. Look at that. Look at that. Fancy stuff. That was an actual dance move. Good. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Ha! Oh my goodness. Girls gone wild. It's all good. Keep going. All right, slow down. You're doing good.
Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, longing.
Listen, you just got to keep moving. That's all you have to do. And you're moving. You are moving. That's all that matters. Doesn't matter what you look like. Just don't go back. Go back, back. All right, I'll stop singing. My bad. Oh, put some sexy in there. You're good. Keep going. Hey, whatever you gotta do, just keep moving. Awesome. Good job. Wow, that was good. That was actually really good. Girl, just keep moving. You're doing good. Uh-oh. Somebody stop her. Stop her. Uh-oh. Keep going. Have fun with it. That was amazing. Go ahead, take a few seconds to rest. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Totally free for you, but it just means so much to me. And I'll be back after the break. If you're doing my premium program, good job. Good job. If you haven't started, make sure you check it out. The link will be provided below. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick cool down now. Go into a deep lunge. Your legs have worked hard, all that jumping. That was really fun. You are fun to work out with. When it feels good to your body, you can go ahead and switch legs. Totally up to you. Or maybe not, you can just reverse. It's whatever. This workout is really casual. You did amazing today. No coordination needed. No dance skill required. Just move. That's all you gotta do. I'm so excited for you. You are making changes. You are doing things differently. You are trying your best. And that's awesome. Get that good stretch in. This stretch I'm doing right now is really good to stretch the back of your thighs, which can get really tight and cause back pain if it's not well stretched. So I like to emphasize that because of my body. But do what's good for you. Alright, you know what's coming. I want you to just roll up very slowly, put a slight bend in your knee, give yourself a huge hug, and just gently twist from side to side. Just want to remind you that you are doing good. You are amazing. Keep taking your baby steps. I'm here for you. You're about to change your whole life and change this world. I'm proud of you. I'll see you in my next workout video. Thank you for working out with me today. So are we.